We have the Etymotic Research ER20XS high fidelity earplugs. I love these things. They come with a little carry case and multiple different earplugs, the 3-flange in, I believe, small and large. I really like the foam tips. I use these for music, so getting these in your ear and being able to jam and hear all the frequencies essentially is worth it. You know, these things are awesome. In the past, I just used earplugs that blocked out all the sound, which when that happens, you know, all you're gonna hear is the low end. But with these, you know, all it is doing is just basically making all the outside sound lower, but you can hear all the frequencies, which is actually really trippy when you use these at first. I personally like the earphone tips the best. You know, you kind of just get them really small, stick them in your ears, and then they expand, and you're good to go. I'd say try out all of them, see which one works best for you. I do also have a pair of their headphones, and I use the dual flange for that, not the triple flange one that they give you with these though. And I personally like the dual flange a little bit better for what I do. But yeah, if you want to hear sound and to not be so loud, but you want to hear the full spectrum from low end to mid to high end, these are definitely what you want to pick up. And for, I think, starting at like $25, this is one of the best investments to save your hearing in the future. So I definitely recommend it.